How to find saved passwords on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and tap on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and further tap on the System Settings option from the menu that appears. Now, go ahead and tap on the search bar and search for passwords, and in the menu that appears, go ahead and enter your passcode in order to be able to view your saved passwords. Or you can also open Launchpad and navigate to the Passwords application and tap on it, and you will be led to the same interface. So simply enter your password and then scroll through and tap on the file or app or account whose password you are looking forward to, and with this you will be able to view the password by simply tapping on the password tab. So this is how you can find saved passwords on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.